Hello, Charlie here. Today we have a 2004 avensis petrol. What happened? This is MOT fail because of two things. First one, we need to do the drop link or anti-roller bar. Other thing, sign on the dashboard. Because of that, it's MOT fail. See what's the sign on the engine. You start the car, you see it's a VSC TRC off, and vehicle, I feel in the once you start the vehicle, little bit playing up. You see that this meter a little bit going up and down, you see. Yeah, that's why the problem. I feeling something like related to the misfiring or something. It's not much say the like heavy misfiring, but little bit vehicle shaking. But see that needle little bit moving up and down, and also it's a VSC TRC off. However, there is a TRC control switch here. In here, this is the TRC off. But however, if I press this one, it's not responding anything. Nothing. Then what we have to do? I'm going to put the computer on and try to find out any problem in the engine area or related to the misfiring. I'm going to put computer on now. Right, the OBD connector located right underneath of this console area. This is the OBD connector. Yeah, there is a cap here. I'm going to take out the cap, pull out. Right, this is the OBD connector. I'm going to connect my Bluetooth socket. Right, it's connected. Switch off and ignition on. Right, I'm going to connect. Right. Press my symbol. Scan. Diagnostic. Going to select the data. Press OK. The onboard system, 16-pin Europe other. Yeah, that is a 16-pin Europe other. Right. It's 2003 to 2005. Sorry, this one going to be right-hand drive. Right, I'm going to take a health report. I'm going to TRC in the traction control related matter. Right, okay. p0300 random misfire. 301 cylinder number 1 misfire. 304 cylinder number 4 misfire. p0171 system 2 lean. PC306 random misfire. talking about the same thing. Little bit picked up. Same sim number 1, sim number 2, and engine control system for the TRC problem. But I feeling a lot of things could be happen. But as a first step, I'm going to change the plugs. But most garages recommend to do the plugs and coil pack. However, I'll talk with the customer, and the customer little bit struggle with the money these days. Then however, as a first step, I'm going to do the all 4 plugs and going to reset the light and start it from there. Right, I got the 4 set of plugs. Bosch brand, it's a good brand. Then I'm going to change it 4 plugs as a first step. First we have to take off the cover, because coil pack underneath of this cover, normally it's coming like 10 mm 2 nuts, but this one it's not there, it's missing. It's just sit on as it is. There's a tiny clip, yeah, take it out like that. Yeah, right, there's a coil pack. First we have to remove the 10 mm bolts there. Then after that we can take off the coil pack. Then we can read to the plugs. Full with as it is. I'm going to miss out with the wire harness for the like a order for the whatever taking off. I'm going to just crack the first, then after that gun. It's saving bit time, but when you're using the gun carefully, use it. Magnet to take out the plugs. Little bit oil, anyways, doesn't matter. Take out the new plugs. Compare with the new plug and the old plug, same length, yeah, same size. Right, going to put it new plugs back. Just put it through the hole. I'm going to tighten now using the gun, but when you do it very carefully and gently, because I'm sure what I'm going to do it here, but when you do it carefully, if you mix up, ending with the additional problem. To put it back, Yeah, I'm going to do ignition coil back. Then after that we have to put it the 10 mm nut and the tightening properly. All back. Now I'm going to go back. It's going to be this side. Just it as it is. Yeah, all done for the engine bay. Now I'm going to already I done the reset because once you change the plugs or if you any warning of the dashboard, we have to reset from the computer. I already done once I scan it that one, and I'll reset the whole light. Now I'm going to start the car. Starting nicely. Yeah, idle also nice and steady. It's not moving like early, and the whole light disappeared at the moment. I'm going to switch it off the car and start it again. Yeah, look like to me it's all working fine. Yeah, anyway, I'm asked to the customer to use it car as it is and ask the update after 2 weeks time. However, normally we need to do the old plugs and the coil pack as a first steps. But however, I didn't do the coil pack, and I'll save it bit money for the customer because this car has a little bit expensive one coil pack, nearly 35 pounds. That means that I need to replace the 2 coil packs. However, it's cost around 70. Then at the moment I didn't do the coil pack, just plugs. Plugs also they have a lithium iron plugs. It's a long life plugs. That's one also a bit expensive. However, we stop with the first step. Yeah, at the moment happy ending result and the low cost. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Don't forget to please subscribe us. Thanks again.